Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, your device model, OS, and the live wallpaper app you'll use. Once done, open the app and find the export or share option. Some apps store files in a gallery folder. If there's no export, use a file manager to locate the wallpaper file. Make a quick backup of your current wallpaper and note the target screen resolution and aspect ratio so the transferred wallpaper displays correctly later. Now move the exported live wallpaper to the device where you want the same background. Use USB, a cloud service, or a local Wi-Fi transfer. Once transferred, place the file in the Wallpapers or Live Wallpapers folder so the system or app can detect it. Open the Wallpaper app, import the file, and set permissions if prompted. Then configure playback options, looping, audio, and screen behavior, so the animation and performance match the original experience. Apply the imported live wallpaper to both home and lock screens and then test how it behaves. Make sure animations align with orientation and that performance is acceptable. Monitor battery use and responsiveness for a few minutes. If something goes wrong, re-export using the original app with adjusted resolution, clear the wallpaper app cache, or reassign file permissions. If the file won't import, try converting to a supported format or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.